V-HOLD for side planer. The internal structure is precise and orderly. Full range of variable frequency speed regulation. Front side top integral structure, easy to adjust. The front workbench has built-in lower rollers with cylinder floating, equipped with heavy-duty short material device, pressure measuring cylinder. The left blade shaft is fully enclosed and sealed with efficient dust removal. Heavy-duty rear pressure plate, second panel, split type. Start the knife shaft, quiet and stable. Activating the first bed knife. Start the right knife. Start the first upper knife. Start the second upper knife. Feeding speed variable frequency 6 to 36 meters per minute. Feed wheel rotation. Adjust the speed the raw material enters. The raw material is processed by the first bottom knife, then the left and right vertical axes are used for milling. First upper axis initial machining groove. Second upper axis finishing groove. The grill is processed and discharged. Grill processing effect, high efficiency mass production. Processing quality, perfect. Shanghai Channel Machinery Co., Ltd.